Hello guys, Cherry is here and today I am going to play more Flood Escape 2. And I am here with my friends. I'm here with my friends. Say hi, dude. Hi.
Yo, dude.
I they can't see your faces. So I'll just play some Flood Escape 2. I have to cut this part out. Psych, I'm not. I'm just seeing these people, how they do it. And I'm not even going to say that I'm recording because no one would just believe me. Well, there's who believes me really. Why is this guy shopping? Anyway, this is log to insane. So if anyone dies, doesn't matter. Please play the game normally. 7 out of 9 players. Insane. Sinking ship. Second hardest map. I mean third hardest map in the whole.
I guess you have to make
game.
it. Yeah, I think you have to.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it's so easy. I don't think
This map is hard to do actually.
I guess you
Third
don't
hardest map.
want to stop over here.
It's the third hardest map, really.
Is the video continuous?
Yes.
Great.
It only continues for 5 minutes.
Super.
Here we go, the acid rises.
The acid can actually be.
Acid
Acid is always green, I think.
Actually, if this was lava, this would be the first hardest map. Really.
Really? Why?
Because, see, already someone died in the acid. Oh my goodness, I hate that glitch. It always flings me across.
Yeah. Oh no. I
No.
never like. No.
This
Just
shortcut, that shortcut is the best shortcut. Oh my god,
It's a shortcut. Oh no.
that glitch saved my life.
I guess.
Come on, press the button, Asimo.
What's happening? Should I know?
The ship is tilting. That's what's happening. Did the guy just fall down and reset? No, I have to press the button. No.
You're in the acid.
Psych, I'm dead. I told you. This map is really hard, I told you.
Rest in pieces.
Gloomy Manor. This is the first.
Just
This
go.
is the first hardest map. First. Not first, last. Because this map is easy. But not as
Let's
easy.
see if it's easy for you now.
Not for me, but many people say it's easy.
But
And I think like it.
Oh.
Press that button. That shortcut is the best shortcut in this map, really. That saves so much time.
I thought you'd play. Get
This guy
more
stuck in
damage.
the wall.
It must hurt.
Come on, fast.
Just
The video's
go.
about to end, I think. Oh no. Let me just check. Oh, 3 minutes, 40 seconds. Just
I
2
guess
minutes to complete the game. Not too much. I'll be able to complete 2 insane maps at least. Come on, why don't you just press the button?
I guess everybody wants you to press it.
That's what makes this game so annoying.
Someone's already
See,
here.
everyone just trolls. They just sit near the button and when someone comes, they just press it. So they get the XP. It's a lot of time waste.
Yeah. You
That's
just,
why
leave
stop. That's why I abandoned this game for a long time. Just because of that. And still people have not done
them. You
it.
can play solo, you know.
Yeah, I don't want to. Because I'm lazy.
Everyone will troll you.
So yeah. Lost Desert. My worst nightmare. I hate this one.
I guess it's the hardest for you.
Not hardest. Dark Cypher City is the hardest. And Beneath the Ruins is the second hardest.